Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your business documents and getting into the app. Sign in with your verified Google Business account so transactions link to the right merchant profile. Once done, allow camera and network permissions so QR codes scan and payments process quickly. Next, attach your bank account and complete the KYC prompts. This validates payouts and reduces holds. If you see an identity step, follow each field exactly. Accuracy speeds verification and avoids repeated delays. Now, configure the payment flows so customers can pay without friction. Create your merchant profile and upload a logo to build trust. Then enable UPI and QR acceptance and connect card payments if needed. Test with a $1 transaction to confirm routing. After that, choose your payout schedule and enable digital receipts so records stay clean. Make sure to set staff permissions carefully. Limiting access prevents accidental refunds, and review notification settings so you catch exceptions promptly. Finish by training staff on the exact checkout flow. Open app, select collect, show, or scan QR, and confirm the payment screen before closing the sale. Once live, reconcile daily so app totals match bank deposits and catch mismatches early. Keep screenshots and transaction ID for disputes. If payments fail, clear cache and re-login, then retest. If payouts are held, gather KYC docs and contact support with ID. This minimizes downtime and maintains customer trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.